your base Bible and this makes you the very first time.
And this is the
Your original and the 200.
Please give a big hand for the CEO of MITAC and Shri Michael Achung, IRS, and coming all the way from Ahmedabad, National Institute of India, a well-known face of MITAC, who is none other than Srimati Bindu Ranjan. Please give a big hand. The Chief Guest, Honorable Minister, has lighted the inaugural lamp. The CEO, MITAC. The Secretary, Textiles, Commerce and Industries, Government of Manipur. The Principal Designer of NID Ahmedabad. Shri C.S. Susant, Principal Designer, NID, and Srimati Bindu Ranjan, Senior Designer, NID, Ahmedabad. We deeply thank the Chief Guest and the Guest of Honor. Photo session and Artisans, A.S. Sopenda. Wow, come in and Tagat Warol Kambinanava Nolokcheri Lenchin Galaxy.
Program. On behalf of MITAC, it is my honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks to this august gathering. To Shri Michael Achung, Secretary, Textile, Commerce and Industries, sir, for his kindness and continued.
Okay. हम एक तो पहला हम देख रहे हैं मणिपुर में बास्केटरी वीविंग स्किल बहुत अच्छा है, तो बास्केटरी वीविंग स्किल है उनके पास, और वो सेम स्किल लेके हम कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट, वो नया मॉडर्न मार्केट के लिए नया प्रोडक्ट डेवलप कर रहे हैं। एक तो वो है सेम स्किल बट नया प्रोडक्ट। सेकंड है नया प्रोडक्ट लाइक ना जो बैम्बू को बेंड करके बना सकता है, ओके, और बिना बेंड करके मशीन थोड़ा यूज करके भी बना सकता है। लाइक अभी आप ये हैंगर देख सकता है, ये हैंगर ऐसे बहुत सिंपल प्रोडक्ट है, ओके। अब इसका क्वालिटी देख सकता है, इसमें सॉलिड बैम्बू है, स्प्लिट बैम्बू है, और ये लेके ऐसे हैंगर, सिंपल हैंगर बना सकता है, और ये सब चीज़ें क्वालिटी प्रोडक्शन में जा सकता है, ओके। ऐसे नहीं है 1-2 पीस बनाने का, हमको 1000 पीस 10,000 पीस बनाने का ऐसा डिज़ाइन भी चाहिए, क्योंकि मार्केट वो डिमांड करता है। हम एक प्रोडक्ट दिखाए तो कल उसको 10,000 पीस पूछेगा तो हम कैसे बनाएंगे। तो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट भी हमको डेवलप करना है, तो आर्टिसन को उसका फ़ायदा होगा, जब क्वांटिटी भी ज़्यादा होगा, उसका मार्केट भी अच्छा होगा, सो उसका फ़ायदा ज़्यादा होगा। तो वैसे प्रोडक्ट भी है, और मोस्टली लाइक हम यूटिलिटी प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं जो घर पे यूज़ कर सकता है, डाइनिंग टेबल में और किचन में यूज़ कर सकता है, ओके। जो किचन में अभी आजकल सारे घर पे आप देख सकते हो प्लास्टिक का बास्केट में आलू प्याज ये सब रखता है। ओके, ऐसे सिंपल प्रोडक्ट हम बैम्बू में बना सकता है, तो उस चीज़ों में हमको अच्छा मार्केट मिलेगा।
Okay, we have to start it from here. Yeah. One, we have to take out all these things. For the bending portion, is it okay? Then how did they mark this thing? This is the center. If this is center. We can bend it actually.
Yeah, just let's try it, sir. After it's burnt.
Yeah, we can. Right now we lost one thing, one right thing. Is there any extra for this one? Yeah, we have extra stick. Yeah, don't know extra. Yeah, don't know what. Oh, Ajit. This. Okay. Yeah. See this. That's easy. Put water. Chini ko ang benta udah na teko. Yes. But don't must become inside this. Then you can push it better. Fine. Then it's fine. No need to do it. Okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, fine. And you can control easily. If you hold it like this, you cannot change your real strength. Okay. Then as this is less point, you can use a cloth or either you can use this. Okay. For some work we need more heat, for some work we don't need. Yeah. So we can blend it without removing any part. That we can do. 103. Yeah, that's it. Okay. That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Then make a similar piece. Just like
Like you make
Ah. Hello. Oh. ഇതിന്റെ മെച്ചമാണ് നമുക്ക് നല്ല വലുതും മുളയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഏത്
이 돌아보니 우는 거 담아 사이드 더블 우야. mấy gì mà khá thảo rồi. Chén đâu? Chén đâu?
Manara.
내가 난 가면 그래. 인터뷰 오프 하세요.
Not let it go outside or there. The center point. Yeah, this 2 point is one to center point where we apply that force. And now if we move here, we apply the measurement slide. There was a time when the building mission was at the peak over there, the flooring of the so I mean, see, this is the name of that's the reason. So you make it like this. And I want the first person who is officer, Because after applying paper, you will get
ꯐꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯃꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯎꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯥꯔꯒꯀꯣ ꯎꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯃꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯒꯨꯞ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯊꯨꯟꯗ ꯇꯨꯝꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯝꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯅꯝꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯛꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯁꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯨꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ
So this workshop we had when we got this, before conducting the field workshop, we had 2 months rigorous planning of how to do that, and we have done a detailed study of the product, sort of motifs being used in the Manipur, especially Lumpi and Andro, and the design. It's a fusion of their technique, their processes. At the same time, also it should reflect that the product are belong to Lumpi or Manipur. So you can see these are the new design we have developed in terms of crockery. Now clay crockery is being a new avenue in the international market. People are looking more sustainable product, more healthy product, and cooking food in clay pottery, it is a wonderful thing. And it has also a medical benefit. So we have understood their processes, their material, and we have developed a contemporary product which can target a large amount of international market. And also we have taken the motifs, the form which are typically belongs to Lumpi. So whenever it is there in the international market, people can suddenly relate that okay, this is from Manipur. So that's how we are trying to establish their brand in the international market. So I think this is a good opportunity we got. We have 2 different sort of artisan, one from Longpi and one from Andro. So we are trying to make an amalgamation of these 2 processes and try to develop a new form. Like Andro have a different technique, their clay is different, their process is also different. Similarly, Lumpi have a different, but here we are trying to mix it up, both the processes. They are learning from each other. So their form, the form which Lumpi are using, they are using in their product, in their surfaces. And that's how we are developing a new range of catalog, which are a combination of these 2 different clusters. Like I could share you, last 2 days what happened, there are small defects are coming. That is because of the processes which they are following. Like we got a lot of cracks. So what they happened, the product don't get dry, and without having proper dry, they started doing the varnishing. So we are giving a small input. These are all practical input which can help them to reduce the reduction and also increase the productivity. So we have introduced a lot of small technique which help them to do a lot of work in a small time. How to do new design in terms of surface design, how you can take motif from the surrounding and how that can be converted into a product. So those sort of element we are introducing here, so that they can make a simple plate. But if they like the way they have done the surface design on top of the plate, it gives that feeling. So they have done quickly. So we have introduced that yesterday, and then today they picked it up, and now they are into it. So this sort of small things which help them to, we are not telling them it is something different. Within their process, just a small practical understanding in terms of material possibilities and limitation, it gives a new look of their product.
कार्ड देखा ना
না কালকে ওদের ওখানে গিয়েছিল এআই থেকে
not too much. It's called ADM manipulation. That's all. And that handle here.
This for me is good. For this is actually it's a big opportunity for us to make we call a new design, and we learn some things about new design. Yeah.
Call him smart boy.
So actually, I run a lot. Like
Happy is there, na?
He's not hearing any sound from Happy. Oh, Happy man.
What are you happy? What? You are not happy today, right? You are happy.
He's always happy. That's why he's happy.
Wow, that kind of decorate. I learn a lot. That's kind of.
Ôi, sao mà nhặt tròn như vậy? Nhặt tròn
भी आ रहे हैं ना। ऐसे सनलाइट उधर रख दीजिए ये सब वहाँ पे, वो क्रैक आ जाएगा, क्रैक हटा दीजिए उसे, उधर रख दीजिए। Finish one, finish one. First one. From this one, yeah, really? First one. Second. I'll show you how to do that. Huh? This one is bamboo. Yes, this one is bamboo. Okay, make it something like the tick. Okay, just make it. Then we'll cut it out. सुचंदा जी No. You keep it and try it here. Okay. After trying, let's see how it comes. Okay. So do one thing, finish it up.
ना कोई क्या लग गया
पैसे प्यारे हैं में इन्वेस्ट करते हो Yeah. Face of animal.
Face of animal.
Yes. That looks more interesting. Let him come, we'll show you. Very nice face of animal. Like the animals which you guys worship or you guys have in and around.
I'll show you, I'll show you.
Just give me some clap.
Name.
In here.
Let's see. It's look in clay form. It's look more interesting.
Exactly.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯛꯁꯣꯞꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯥꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯣꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯆꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯛꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯖꯔ ꯖꯔꯅ ꯏꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯪꯖꯩ
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯅꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ 사와이 비사가네. 아니. 양하이드.
Ah. Yes. Just the abstract form.
Không có một cầm bây giờ phải chắc phải sao cũng nhìn đây câu gì mà sắp mang lắm này